and I want to fetch the score in math for the name here in cell F2. Now I can use the XLOOKUP formula. So my formula would be, first I need to specify the lookup value, which is F2 in this case. Then I need to specify the lookup array, which would be these names. And then I need to specify the return array. Since this is a really simple lookup scenario, I don't need to use the remaining 3 arguments. And now when I hit enter, it gives me 21, which is the score of Greg in math. And I come here and I can change the name. Let's say I make it this Jenny. Then I get this score here, which is Jenny's score in math. Now, one of the things that is different from VLOOKUP in XLOOKUP is that you specify the lookup array and the return array separately, which means that my lookup array could be here and my return array could be anywhere. So let me show you another example where I have the names on the right and I'm looking for the value which is to the left. Now with VLOOKUP, this is not inbuilt into the function, but in XLOOKUP,